students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, if probability of A is equals to 0.4, probability of B is equals to 0.5, and probability of A intersection B is 0.25, then probability of A complement given B is. Our options are 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 1 by 4 or 3 by 4. So probability of A complement given B will be equals to, we know the formula, it is probability of A complement intersection B divided by probability of B. What we are using? We are using the formula probability of P given Q. So this is probability of P intersection Q divided by probability of Q, correct? So we are using this formula where instead of P we have A complement and instead of Q we have B. Now this is probability of A dash intersection B. Now if you will see the Venn diagram of A and B, this is A and this is B. A, B. So what will be A dash? A dash will be entire area outside A, correct? This is our A dash, and B is A dash intersection B. So what is common between A, out of A and B? So this part is common. If you will see, let me show with a different color. If you will see this part is common between A dash and B, correct? So this part is actually B minus this part, B minus this common part between A and B. So I'm telling probability of A intersection B, probability of A dash intersection B will be probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. It will be equals to probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, correct? And probability of B and probability of A intersection B is given in the question. So this will be equals to 0.5 minus 0.25. So this will be equals to 0.25, correct? Now we will put this in this our formula. So probability of A dash intersection B will become, this we calculated as 0.25 divided by probability of B, which is 0.5. So if you will calculate this is 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is our final answer, option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.